Today we're back with a part 2 of the YES Burp Soda Chug. As you guys can tell right here, I have 4 bottles of Mountain Dew. This Mountain Dew right here is called BaJa Blast. Apparently, it's a lot of people's favorite at Taco Bell, so I decided to get it. You guys really crushed it in the last YES Burp Soda Chug, so I decided to come back with a part 2 with Mountain Dew. One thing I do know is that these things are highly packed and a lot of sugar. One of these things is 73 grams of sugar. I'll do the math right up on the screen right there. That's a lot of sugar. This is 80 ounces of BaJa Blast Mountain Dew. We're gonna see how fast we can chug it here today. Please tell me I'm not the only one that thinks that this looks like a jug, whatever you wanna call it. That thing from Fortnite. You guys know what it is. I don't, because I don't play Fortnite and I never will. Before I chug all of this Mountain Dew right here, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. Let's see how fast we can chug the BaJa Blast Mountain Dew with burping. No burp challenge, yes burp challenge, whatever. 80 ounces of BaJa Blast Mountain Dew in 3, 2, 1, let's go. They don't taste that good. Yeah. That's a lot of sugar. Ooh. Oh my God, it's bad. That was a challenge. 2.40 liters of BaJa Blast, Taco Bell, Mountain Dew. Like I normally say off cam, I'm not drinking soda pop at all. This is just for obviously entertainment purposes only. So do not try any of my challenges at home. For the taste of these, on a scale of 10, I'll probably give it like a 5 out of 10. It wasn't that good. Kind of left a weird taste in my mouth. Please drop a like if you guys enjoy this. I have a lot more coming. I have a lot going on behind the cameras that you guys are definitely going to be excited for, and I can't wait to share it to you guys. If you guys want to stay updated and you are not yet already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so you never miss a video. We're on the road to 2K, so let's get it. That is going to wrap it up for this video. That was the BaJa Blast Mountain Dew Chug. I'm going to end off the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video if you enjoyed. Also share, subscribe if you need to stay lit, and always stay lit. And I'll see you guys on the next one. We're out.